In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up CIBC mobile banking. Whether you're a new user or just looking to make your banking experience more convenient, setting up mobile banking with CIBC is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to download the CIBC mobile banking app. You can find it easily in the App Store if you are using an iPhone or in the Google Play Store for Android users. Simply search for CIBC mobile banking, and once you locate it, tap on the download button. This app is the gateway to managing your finances on the go, so having it at your fingertips is essential. Once you have the app installed, open it up and tap on the register button to begin the setup process. This will guide you into the registration phase, where you'll need to enter some personal information to verify your account. At this point, you'll need your valid CIBC debit card or credit card number. Enter the number carefully and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity. This step is crucial in ensuring that your account is secure and that only you have access to it. After completing the verification process, it's time to create a secure online banking password for your account. Make sure to choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This password will help keep your financial information protected, so take a moment to create one that you can remember but is difficult for others to guess. To enhance security even further, you have the option to set up additional security features such as Face ID, Touch ID, or a secure PIN. These features are especially useful for faster and more secure sign-ins, allowing you to access your account with just a glance or a touch. Once you've completed the setup process, it's time to sign in using your new credentials. Enter your username and password, or use the security features you set up to access your account. With everything set up, you can now explore the full range of services that the CIBC mobile banking app offers. Manage your accounts, transfer money, pay bills, deposit checks, and enjoy the convenience of banking right from your smartphone. And that's how to set up CIBC mobile banking. With these simple steps, you're now ready to take control of your finances anytime, anywhere. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the convenience of mobile banking with CIBC.